Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 6. I didn't film anything this morning because I was tired and lazy. So I missed Spanish class. This is not staying up. Oh, I turned those in, but she hasn't given it back.
Are you gonna edit it and stuff?
Apple juice.
Here's my work that we're gonna do today.
Here's my work we're gonna do today. The skinny packet. Here's colored pencils.
Do you like this paper?
Those ones? Is that the blue ones? Oh god, that's terrible.
Oh, if you want to see what that's there. I want to see Morocco.
Hey guys, so I'm at lunch. It's lunch. This dude is so sick. Ew. I don't want to get sick. I'm literally. Look how gross it is. Surprise.
Get it right now.
Yeah. I might actually. I think I'm gonna steal it after school.
Wear like a mask. But tell him to wear one.
I think he is. On the thing. Do you want the rest of this? It's just cheap. Wait. Today we have an all deluxe pan y queso. Y solo. Y toro. Es todo. Period. That's Calicia. And Bia. Are you gonna get lunch?
I love you for you.
Yeah. Who are you? You're Angie, but who are you? Angel. Give me another name. That is mine. This is mine. I just brought it to the table and I drank out of it. Where did mine go? Hi.
Yo, what?
My water. I didn't see you with the water. Maybe. So I'm just walking to class. My class is in there. But I just want to show you guys the rest of the school. Some of the school. This is the back area. And I go through this way because it's so much quicker. The alleys. Okay, I gotta go guys. So I'll see you later. So we're at the storage with all our stuff. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff. We're getting the couch. It's currently 5:20. And I just finished from C-Cap Culinary too. I'm tired.
I'm not gonna sit him there. I'm gonna sit him to
Look at those eyelashes.
Hi.
Okay guys, so it's currently 6:23 and we're back home and sitting on the couch. There's a dining table. We don't have a TV yet. We didn't have enough room to take it. All this mess that we brought today. I miss this couch so much. It's the best. Look at it. It's just so pretty. It's long. So it's like I could sleep on it literally. I've slept on this thing so many times. Booker, Booker, come here, boy. Come. This is your new couch. Yeah. Oh. What are you doing? Sir. 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 What are you doing? Ow! He got sharp teeth. Get it, but wait. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Who's that? Huh? No. But anyways, I'm just laying here. And I think some of my clothes is actually in some of these bags, like my sweaters and stuff. So, like my puffer jacket. So I think I'm gonna just like start unpacking some of that stuff, like my stuff. And then I'm gonna start my homework. My parents went to the other storage that we have for like the products that we sell and stuff, well, whatever stuff. And I'm gonna do that, and then if I have time, if it's before 8 o'clock, I'm gonna try to go to the gym. Wait, what time is it? 6:30. Okay, let's see. So 6:30, I'll just start my homework at 7. And if I finish by 8, then I'll just go to the gym for an hour or whatever. And then, hi Chippies! Hi Choke! Hey guys, so it's really late right now and I forgot to do my outro. So I'm just gonna do it really quick right now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button to see more content like this and follow along with my Vlogmas days. And make sure you comment down below with the question of the day, which is, what is the best Christmas gift you've ever gotten for Christmas? In my answer, I think I would probably say probably my Apple Watch, honestly. I think I would just say that, or my phone. I don't know. So, I'll see you guys in the next video.